Hear that? That is the sound of achievement, and this is what a Porsche Turbo S brings you. Be a head turner with this exclusive Amaranth red metallic color and drive assured knowing that the car is protected in paint protection film. Experience a fine balance of sportiness and luxury comfort with these European leather seats, which features heating and cooling functions. Feel the confidence in any weather with the Porsche all-wheel drive stability. The fastest Porsche 911 that gives you supercar accelerations that we all crave for. So come book a test drive with me and experience the thrill of the Porsche 911 Turbo S today.